Hey guys, what's happening? How would to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken Pro to another wallet? So in order for this to work out, you need to use the wallet because the Kraken Pro is only for charting, analysis, for like more pragmatic stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the portfolio at the bottom. And then select the crypto. In our case, we're gonna select Bitcoin. Right? And under the balance, you're gonna see deposit and withdraw. Select withdraw button and select the network, right? Select the network that the other wallet deals with, right? Because some platforms don't deal with that same networks, like most famously, Bitcoin network deals with most of the trading or even crypto trading websites. So select the network, and after you select the network, you're gonna just go ahead and continue and enter the address or the lightning request, or go to the Bitcoin right here, add the amount in dollars or in Bitcoins, and then hit add new address, click the Bitcoin again, and then go and add the new address generated by the other platform, right, or the other party, and then go and continue, and you're gonna be able to withdraw the Bitcoin from your wallet to another platform. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.